Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Here you are learning a super easy lecture for interview questions. Yes, Windows interview questions and answers for DevOps who are going to using a tools with Windows development of DevOps tools. We'll see the interview questions. I'll ask ChatGPT help to taking this interview questions. So Windows interview questions and answers for DevOps freshers. Let's see what response we will get from ChatGPT. See, this is the questions it's giving like Windows related DevOps interview questions for freshers. So what is DevOps and how it is related to Windows? Yes, Windows is also using most cases we can use the Windows tools to making DevOps environment. Second one, what are the benefits of using DevOps in Windows environment? Yes, majorly as you know that by using the Windows environment with the easy of a configuration the things using mouse click, and simply you can make it enable disable things to complete the environment management configurations. Third one, can you explain role of DevOps engineer in a Windows environment? Yes, see, in this question how you need to relate to answer. So the main role of DevOps engineer to making of development and operations things to be make perfectly in a way of pipeline, to setting of arranging a central repository access to the development team, what they are submitting using continuous integration of project, and in the operations side like a continuous delivery how it will be make the management of configuration system, how he is making automation. This is the main role he needs to play. What are some tools that use in Windows Server administration and automation? Yes, using many tools are available nowadays for Windows to making an automation system. Whereas you may take I can say that open source, I'll go for it. Jenkins, if you used, you can set as a complete automation, and with the help of GitHub and GitLab and Git tools to making, and having a Apache server to ensure that a live a real-time live production server. These are the tools will help you to making an automation. How do you manage Windows updates and patches in DevOps environment? Yes, so managing is a system administrator, he needs to making to controlling this Windows updates and patches to be updated for DevOps environment as well. Can you explain how would you automate the deployment of Windows application? Yeah, by taking a simple this Jenkins DevOps tool to making automate of a deployment process in Windows environment. How do you monitor and manage the performance of Windows Server in DevOps environment? Yes, there is a simple monitoring tool, and even DevOps like Jenkins also will give you like a progress and a monitoring system to controlling of your Windows servers. How do you troubleshoot and resolve Windows Server issues in a DevOps environment? Yes, making as a system administrator, these are the things can be possibly solved. Even the server is a setting up of a DevOps environment and the tools which are controlling. And also it's easy to maintain either container system or virtual machine system too. Easily we can move these virtual machines to the another server and do the proper activities. Can you explain how would implement security in a Windows DevOps environment? Yes, most cases like any real-time server or Windows server to like main like production server to staging server, there would be a clear firewall and gateways to be controlled by the firewall team, which ports all the communication ports which are going to be communicating with each other. There should be completely the filter would be written like rules and applied to making a complete secure environment. What are some of the challenges you have faced while working with the Windows in a DevOps environment, and how did you overcome them? Yes. See, most cases here the security issues would be arised in a real-time environment. And the legacy like overwriting changes, how you are assigned to the permissions, and the automation once the setting of automation pipeline system, how you are making them, and majorly in the real-time scenarios like what the real-time project libraries which the developer is going to be adding a library which is not available at your building area. So ensure that such a common things. And also if you planned and prepared your real world project, definitely you will get such a questions easily answered. These are the starting point what you want to like face. You may face more questions. These are the very specific and basic for your future reference. If you feel this video lecture is helpful for your career, please do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.